I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone. The next generation of UAVs has to be safe. It must be reliable, and it should be flexible to adapt to the unpredictable conditions that are present out on the field, providing intelligent solutions to professionals and supplying accurate data for those in command to make critical decisions. Introducing the new Autel Robotics Dragonfish VTOL UAS. The Dragonfish boasts a new tilt rotor design that combines the efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft endurance with the takeoff convenience of traditional multi-rotor drones. With a maximum flight time of up to 120 minutes and a video transmission range of 30 kilometers, the Dragonfish offers unparalleled performance within its class. The provided GNSS base station and the integrated RTK module allows the Dragonfish to fly confidently in complex environments while capturing precise, centimeter-accurate data. In industries that require frequent aerial inspections, the Dragonfish provides high-quality solutions with a powerful camera system. A modular payload mount with quick-release function enables the Dragonfish to mount a variety of payloads effortlessly to suit different mission needs. Dual sensor combines a 12mm wide-angle lens with 20x zoom lens. Operator can switch between them with a single click. Paired with a 3-axis gimbal, the Dragonfish can still smoothly capture stabilized images, even with high magnification. If that's not enough, then leverage the intelligent functions of the Dragonfish. Powered by a suite of onboard processors and advanced AI algorithms, tracking moving subjects such as people, vehicles, objects, or ships is now easier than ever before. Capable of identifying up to 64 objects simultaneously and tracking a single object traveling at speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour, the Dragonfish sets a whole new standard in airborne intelligence. The advanced mission planning function allows you to quickly change its flight path when any unpredictable changes happen. The terrain following feature allows the Dragonfish to calculate terrain changes in real time and carries out different flight path adjustments to avoid any incidents possibly caused by unpredictable topographical differing. Reliable and efficient, the Dragonfish offers a multitude of redundancy systems for a smooth, safe flying experience. Dual redundant CAN-bus communication enables the real-time monitoring of the rudder surface and motor status, protecting the aircraft from strong electromagnetic interference. Onboard AI self-checks the system continuously to prevent faults and accidents before they occur. In a world that demands more, Autel Robotics sets a whole new standard by combining power, performance, and intelligence to create the ultimate VTOL UAS, the Dragonfish. Hi, I'm your new aerial photography partner. Brighter and smarter. Take me with you and let's start our adventure. With Dynamic Track 2.1, I can follow you anywhere you go. And with millisecond autofocus, capture your shots with instant clarity. A 1-inch CMOS sensor and 6K camera allow me to deliver crisp and vibrant images. And Autel Skylink, we can explore anywhere you want.
Hi, I'm Evo Lite. Equipped with a 4-axis gimbal, I can shoot lossless vertical videos and help you master cinematic shots with just one click. Boasting 50 million pixels and a RYYB color filter array, I will capture every detail you want and upload your images wirelessly in seconds, so you can spend more time sharing, less time waiting. With 40 minutes of battery life and all-new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance system. Fly further, faster, and safer. Evo Lite to Evo Lite Plus. New perspectives, new possibilities.
A complex work environment requires complex tools. That's why the Evo 2 Enterprise is smarter, safer, and tailored for every operation, while still being lightweight, compact, and easy to operate. Tackle any work condition with the remote control's large screen and high brightness, which make flying effortless and intuitive. Handle any workload with 42 minutes of flight time and the ability to pilot from up to 8 miles away. Equipped with a spotlight, megaphone, strobe light, and RTK module, the Enterprise series provides everything you need to take on any challenge with confidence. Use the high-powered megaphone to easily communicate with crew across work sites and provide vital instructions during emergencies. Or equip the RTK module to provide centimeter-accurate location data, enabling you to map or perform inspections with remarkable precision. Power up the strobe lights to reveal the drone's position at night, ensuring airspace safety and drone visibility from up to 3 miles away. Turn on the high-intensity spotlight to enhance safety in dim conditions or aid in search and rescue missions. No matter the scenario, enjoy additional peace of mind with the Enterprise Series built-in ADS-B receiver, which alerts users to the presence of nearby aircraft, allowing them to take evasive maneuvers well before disaster strikes. Further enhance safety with an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system to limit collisions in complex environments, and powerful data encryption to ensure every detail of your flight stays private. Smart, safe, and efficient, this is the Evo 2 Enterprise. This is the future.